Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sanjay Prakash and today I'll tell you how to customize the banner in the home page of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Here you can see where you can see my mouse here on the screen. This is a default banner given by Microsoft, but sometimes, for the sake of personalization, you need to change it. Let's say I want to change it. How can I do that? Depending on your user login information, it allowed to customize your home screen, the banner screen, right? How can you do that? You can do that using, if you go here in the section organizational, go to the modules, and here you go to organization administration. Here, if you go to legal entity, for each legal entity, you can have different types of banner, dashboard banner. So this is my current legal entity, and I want to switch my legal entity, for example. So let me switch to legal entity, this one. So this is the legal entity I have created last time, whose name is Subsea Private Limited, Subsea India Private Limited. And for this legal entity, I want the home page. This is my home page of this legal entity. And this home page should be changed depending on my banner I have created. So what I can do, I can go here in the modules and I'll go to organizational administrations and go to legal entity. Because of being the administrator, I can directly go there, and in the legal entity, I'll go to the section dashboard images. This dashboard images will help you to upload or change the default banner. Here I can switch from default to none if you don't want a banner, or if you want to change your own banner, just click on banner. And if you want to change none means it will just remove the banner. If you want to choose a banner, you just click on change and browse your banner here. Let's say I want to use this banner here. I have a banner I created. Let's say this one. Okay. And I'll click open. Now this is the banner that will be applied as your home page now. Okay. And once it is done, if you go to save, click the save command and go back to the home, you will see once you refresh, the banner will be changed. Make sure that your banner should be better width and height so that it will fit. You see, now the banner is looking like this, and under that it is showing the options, right? So try to use a small height banner so that it will look good. So let me try once again with a small size banner. It is a bigger size, that's why it is spanning the entire screen. So I'll go to again organizational administration module and go to legal entity and directly navigate to the dashboard. And here I'll just change the banner, change, and let me use a small one, let's say this one, which is less height. Okay, because the last banner I uploaded was having more height, that's why the screen is covering. So I'm taking this one. So let me just, once it is browsed done, now it is done here, you can save and go back to the home and refresh. Once you refresh, you'll find your latest banner for your dashboard for your specific legal entity will be updated. See how it look like. So it depends on you that what banner, dashboard banner you want to use for your legal entity that is selected for you. Okay, so you can set the banner for different legal entity with a different banner depending on your customization. Okay, thank you for everyone watching this video. So I hope you understand how it works.